Hey! Hey! One artist described it to me as that down the hall sound. I gotcha. So we're in Logic. I'm going to show you how to do it with a built-in plugin, and then I'll show you what I think more than half of hip-hop is using right now. And if you're an artist, a producer, or a creative engineer, I've got nothing but respect for you if you're putting stuff out there. If you think stuff like this might be kind of cool, hit the subscribe button. It would be awesome to have you along for the conversation. So the problem is, which reverb do you use? Because if you look in the menu, you got 3 reverbs. And if you're like me and you got a bunch of plugins, where do you even start? Well, here's the built-in solution. So let's start from the beginning. You want to put it on Ascend because then you only have to use one of the reverb plugins instead of using like 10 of them on all your tracks. So that saves resources. Plus, it's way easier to automate, as you'll see in just a minute. I'll do Send 1. That auto creates a track for you in Logic. And then we're going to go to Space Designer, Stereo, large spaces, halls, 3-second long reverb. So let's hear what that sounds like. Hey! So I send signal into this reverb by pushing up this little fader. Now here's what I suggest you do. The preset comes up like that. I suggest you take the decay time and move it down to about 2 seconds. Seems to work for this a lot. If it's too long, it's going to muddy up your mix a little bit too much. And then pre-delay, right now it's 0. If you move it later, and you can take this quite far, 80, even 100, it separates the reverb from the initial sound. Hey! Then you don't lose the clarity in the original vocal. So, hey! You can hear the original vocal more clearly with the pre-delay up to around 80 or 100. If you move it too far, it'll become too separated. Hey! And you'll hear it as a separate event. So that is your built-in for that down the hall kind of sound. I think that works really well and is a contemporary kind of a sound. You're looking for the sense of space. The one that half of hip-hop is using right now is, and I put this on 2. If you click these, it automatically takes you to the bus. So let's open this up. This is how the plugin comes up. Move this down to about 2 seconds, same as the other reverb. And then pre-delay, I like to move it up again to about 80. It just gives you a little bit more separation. I turn up the signal here. In fact, I've already done an automation. Hey! You can do your own automation like this. You could put touch. Hey! Redo it. Hey! And that's that sound that I think you're looking for. Superstar mixer Jason Joshua talks about how he used this plugin on the Weeknd's record. People like it because it's smooth and it's kind of dark and it doesn't really get in the way. It really has an appealing sound and it's vibey. This vocal is not EQ'd, it's not exactly how I had it in the mix, but this is the artist. I'll show you on Spotify. Hustle Makes Muscle Cajun, should be easy for you to find. So if you wanted to set the vocal back a little bit,
it's the same lane, different cage, you know? All we do is grind every day, you know?
So that's for that separated sound. Something that you might want to do is like highlight, punch a word.
It's the same lane, different cage, you know? All we do is grind every day, you know?
So there's 2 options for you. I hope that helps. Got a question? Drop a comment. I'd be happy to help you out.